Everyone, welcome to my new exclusive listing on Cottage Walk, south of Midway. This is under construction, as you can see, but they're moving along very quickly and should be done within the next week or two. The kitchen was installed with the new countertops. It's an open concept going out to the pool. Right off the living room, you come out to the spacious deck with pool, brand new outside shower, grill area. And for bedrooms, you have 4 bedrooms, a full master downstairs, and let's go upstairs and see the 3 masters, 1.5 baths. Hi, now we're upstairs where we have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths, a laundry area. One of the bedrooms has a half bath, so you have 2 masters, 1 up and 1 down. The rooms are spacious.